Do you know, Yadi, if your paycheck stopped tomorrow, you probably wouldn't last a month. And that's not a guess. That's 57% of Americans right now. 21% have $0 left after bills. Zero, not a little, not 50 bucks. Literally, like nothing standing between them and a disaster. And if that just hit home, good. Because what I'm about to show you, it's the one thing that actually changes all of this. So stay with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an emergency fund from absolute zero, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck right now. No complicated investing, no crypto, no side hustle required, just a simple system that actually works. And by the end of this, you'll have a clear first step you can take today. Not someday, today. Here's the real problem though. It's not that people are irresponsible, it's that nobody ever taught us what an emergency fund actually is or why it matters. So when something goes wrong, job loss, car breakdown, medical bill, there's nothing there. And suddenly, one bad week turns into 6 months of damage. Rent is due, fridge is empty, cards are maxed, and you're borrowing from next month just to survive this one. That one missed paycheck drops your credit score, then higher interest rates, then more debt. It's a spiral, and it moves fast. If you're in your 20s or 30s, spending everything you earn, I'm not judging. I get it, but one emergency is genuinely all it takes to fall behind by years. And the worst part? Most people don't realize they're one event away from financial crisis until they're already in it. So why do most people never build that safety net? 3 reasons. They think they can't afford it. They don't know where to start. And yeah, they just keep putting it off. But here's what I need you to hear. You don't need a raise. You don't need a windfall. You just need a system and $500 to start. That's it. $500. That one small buffer is the difference between a bad week and a financial catastrophe. So let's actually build this thing. Step 1, open a separate savings account. Not your main account. A different one. Out of sight, out of mind. See, when your emergency fund is mixed with your spending money, you spend it. Separate account means separate mindset. That one move protects everything. Step 2, automate it. Even $25 a week. You will not miss it. But in 5 months, you'll have your $500 target without thinking once. Automation is the secret weapon here. Every high earner, every financial advisor, they all automate because willpower runs out. Systems don't. Step 3, find the money. Now I know what you're thinking. I have nothing left, but I want you to look at just 3 things first. Subscriptions you forgot about, food you're throwing away, impulse buys you don't even remember making. That's where the $25 hides, every single time. Cancel one thing, cook twice a week instead of ordering. Skip one impulse buy a month. That's your $25. That simple. Now once you hit $500, don't stop. That was just your floor. Your real goal is 3 months of expenses. That's your actual safety net. 3 months means if you lose your job today, you have time. Time to think clearly, apply without panic, and make smart decisions. Without that buffer, you're taking the first job you can find just to survive. With it, you're choosing the right one. Now here's something nobody tells you. Your emergency fund isn't just money, it's mental health. Knowing it's theirs changes how you sleep, how you work, how you live. Financial stress is the #1 cause of relationship problems in America. One buffer account fixes more than just your finances. And I know 3 months sounds impossible right now. It did to me too. But $25 a week, that's a tank of gas. And you're already spending it on something. 3 months of expenses for most Americans is around $6,000 to $9,000. At $25 a week, you're there in under 4 years. But most people, they speed it up. Every tax refund, every bonus, every birthday money. Send it straight to the fund first before lifestyle inflation gets it. That's how people actually do it fast. So here's your action plan. 3 steps. Do them this week, not someday, this week. Step 1, open a separate high-yield savings account today. Marcus, Ally, SoFi, all free, all online, done in 10 minutes. Step 2, set up a $25 automatic weekly transfer. Right now, before you close this video. Seriously, pause, do it, come back. Step 3, find your $25. Go through your subscriptions tonight. 1 cancellation. That's all you need to make this sustainable forever. That's the whole system. Separate account, automate it, find the money once. Then let it build while you live your life. And when that emergency hits, because you won't panic, you'll open the app, move the money, and handle it. That's the whole point. No debt, no missed payments, no spiral. Just a problem you solved because you planned for it. So tell me, how many months could you survive right now without a paycheck? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this opened your eyes, hit like. It literally tells YouTube this information is worth sharing. More people need to hear this. Next video, I'm breaking down exactly how to get out of credit card debt fast. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.